Hey everyone! If you've just had major repairs done on your car, like engine work, nozzle repair, or even a turbo replacement, it's crucial to know how to handle your vehicle right after. Here's a quick guide to keep your car running smoothly and ensure your safety on the road. First things first, when you pick up your car from the mechanic, don't rush off just yet. Take a moment to speak with the mechanic. Ask them about any specific care instructions post-repair. This can include things like the type of oil to use or if there are any driving limitations for the first few miles. Remember, information straight from the horse's mouth is invaluable. Next, start with gentle driving. I know, it might be tempting to test your car's limits after a major fix, but this is not the time to push it. Keep your speed moderate and avoid harsh accelerations. Your car's engine, nozzle, or turbo has just been through a major overhaul and needs time to readjust. Think of it like waking up from a long nap. You wouldn't want to run a marathon right away, right? Also, keep a close ear out for unusual noises. Any clanks, bangs, or whistles should be noted and possibly checked. These could be signs that something wasn't fixed properly, and catching these issues early could save you a lot of trouble and money down the road. Another key point is to monitor your car's performance closely during the first few weeks. Pay attention to how it handles, how the brakes respond, and whether the engine temperature stays consistent. Changes in performance can indicate that the repair needs to be revisited, or that there are other underlying issues that weren't initially apparent. Lastly, schedule a follow-up visit with your mechanic. Even if everything seems fine, having your mechanic give it a once-over after you've driven it for a while can catch issues before they become serious. This is like a routine checkup but for your car. So, that's it. Remember, handling your car with a bit more care after major repairs can significantly extend its life and performance. Drive safe and take care of your ride. If you liked the video, please share, subscribe, and like.